Beneath the cool, dark waters of ancient Mexican lakes lives one of the most unusual and adorable creatures in the animal kingdom, the axolotl. Known as the Mexican walking fish, the axolotl isn't actually a fish at all but an amphibian, closely related to salamanders. What makes this little creature so fascinating is not just its permanent smile and frilly pink gills, but its incredible ability to defy the rules of nature itself. While most amphibians go through a dramatic transformation from water-dwelling larvae to land-dwelling adults, the axolotl chooses to stay in its juvenile form for its entire life, making it a living example of evolutionary curiosity and wonder. Axolotls are small, typically growing between 6 and 12 inches long, with slender bodies, a wide head, and a mouth that naturally curves upward, giving them their signature smiling expression. Their most striking feature is their feathery, external gills, which fan out from either side of their head like delicate coral. These gills are not only beautiful but highly efficient, allowing the axolotl to extract oxygen directly from the water. They come in a variety of colors, from wild brown or olive to rare albino and leucistic morphs, which are pale pink with bright red gills and shiny black eyes. Because of their unique appearance, axolotls have become extremely popular in aquariums worldwide. What truly sets axolotls apart from almost every other creature is their extraordinary ability to regenerate. While many animals can heal wounds, the axolotl can regrow entire limbs, spinal cords, parts of its heart, and even sections of its brain without leaving scars. Scientists have studied axolotls for decades to unlock the secrets of regeneration, hoping to apply these discoveries to human medicine. This remarkable trait makes the axolotl not only adorable, but also one of the most important creatures for biological and medical research. In the wild, axolotls are native to a very small area, Lake Xochimilco and Lake Chalco in central Mexico. However, much of their natural habitat has been destroyed due to urbanization, pollution, and the draining of lakes for agriculture. As a result, wild axolotl populations have plummeted, and they are now listed as critically endangered by the IUCN. In fact, spotting an axolotl in its native habitat is incredibly rare today, with conservationists working tirelessly to preserve what's left of their environment. Captive breeding programs have kept the species alive, and most axolotls you see in aquariums are bred in captivity rather than caught in the wild. Despite their fragile wild population, axolotls are hardy animals in captivity and have become beloved pets for amphibian enthusiasts. Their calm nature, unique appearance, and ability to smile make them incredibly charming. They prefer cool, clean water and spend most of their time at the bottom of their tanks, slowly exploring their surroundings or waiting patiently for food. In the wild, they are carnivorous, feeding on worms, insects, and small fish, while in captivity, they are often fed pellets and frozen foods. Because of their wide popularity, axolotls have also become cultural icons in Mexico, celebrated as symbols of resilience and uniqueness. One fascinating aspect of axolotls is their connection to Aztec mythology. The name axolotl comes from the Aztec language Nahuatl, meaning water monster or water dog, and is tied to a legend about the god Xolotl, who is said to have transformed himself into this unusual creature to avoid sacrifice. This connection gives axolotls a mystical and cultural significance that makes them even more intriguing to study and admire. Today, conservationists are working hard to protect this magical species. Efforts include restoring parts of Lake Xochimilco, reducing pollution, and creating artificial canals and wetlands to provide safe habitats. Because axolotls are so important for scientific research, there's a strong incentive to save them, not just for their sake, but for the knowledge they hold about regeneration and healing. Their survival is a perfect example of how protecting one species can have a far-reaching impact on human understanding of biology and medicine. The axolotl's story is a reminder of how incredible and fragile life can be. In a world full of powerful predators and towering creatures, this small salamander stands out for its gentle charm and almost magical powers. Its refusal to grow up, its mysterious regenerative abilities, and its constant smile make it one of the most beloved and unique animals on Earth. Every axolotl is like a tiny miracle, a creature that seems to belong in a fantasy world rather than our own. So, the next time you see an axolotl in an aquarium or a nature documentary, remember that this walking fish carries with it an ancient history, a powerful legend, and a scientific mystery that researchers are still trying to unravel. It's not just cute, it's a window into the secrets of evolution, and a symbol of hope for conservation. The smiling axolotl proves that even the smallest creatures can inspire the biggest curiosity. And protecting them ensures that this magical amphibian continues to enchant and educate future generations.